Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Hi guys, I've got a gist for you, and this gist is about Mandy. Yes, Mandy, whose real name is Mandy Ayomiposi and popularly known as President Olosho. She's a Nigerian, an Instagram celebrity, social media influencer, and brand ambassador who became popular after she got a tattoo of Naira Marley on her body. Yes, it's her birthday, and you need to see how friends, fans rally around her at the birthday to shower her with lots of gifts, as in money. Yes, you need to see this video. And it seems it's not yet her birthday, because it seems her birthday is 16 March, but there's a banner at the stage which indicates Mandy happy birthday in advance. So that means her birthday is still on March 16th, but you need to know what there's what we call pre-birthday celebration. Should I call it that way? So it's a pre-birthday celebration, and friends and our friends have already showered her with a lot of gifts. Anyway, happy birthday to you, Mandy, and from here we say happy birthday to you in advance.